right, so I just want to kind of show you what needs to be completed each day just to make sure that we're able to find everything okay. So when you log into your OLS, up at the top you'll see it says welcome. This is just a sample login, so it says 5th grade. Yours will say welcome your name. And from there, every single day, the first thing you want to do is click plan. From plan, you'll click daily plan, and then Gia's plan will come up. So this plan each and every day shows you exactly what you need to complete. So the first thing we see are the Class Connect sessions. These are the live sessions that you will attend for our in-person courses online. Down below where it says courses, these are all of the lessons that need to be completed independently between classes. So when we are not in our Class Connect sessions, you are expected to complete all of these lessons as well. And to get into each of these, you just click whatever the lesson is that is listed. So for example, in vocabulary, we'll click lesson 7, and you'll read the directions on each page. You'll click the arrow to advance you to the next screen. We'll give you more directions. You complete those, advance to the next screen, and so on. Anywhere that it says materials, you need to click those materials and it will bring up another document. For vocabulary, it's bringing up this word set 9C with the words and the definitions. So these are the words that you will need to complete those lessons. In addition, it'll give you some directions for what you need to do at each step. So for example, this one says stop, it's time to go offline. It tells you exactly what you need to do offline, steps 1, 2, and 3. So as you complete that, you'll click the next arrow, follow the directions, click the next arrow. When you're completely done with everything the lesson has asked you to do, you click the box to mark this lesson complete. And then it will ask you to put in your attendance, so how many minutes you spent on that lesson, and then you will click add attendance. So anytime you are able to put in a number of minutes for your attendance, or anytime you are able to complete something that says lesson checkpoint or lesson assessment, your attendance will be automatically recorded for those days.